back in. It's the fun part. You got a plan for everything, Jason.
Did you replace these?
The wood bearing?
Yeah.
Yeah. But this side had the cheap version in it.
Yeah. You might have killed it. It might tighten up when it gets tight. Alright, boys. Now he's suggesting how to tighten this and make it fucking back.
We've got these wrenches. That's all I got.
Got these
Are you
hands.
videotaping me?
No, I wouldn't dare.
You wouldn't dare.
That's how we know you're doing
Where's
it.
the pliers at? You got a breaker bar? Or anything?
In the truck.
Yeah, truck, yeah.
You can't just get it tight and try and shove something in the cutter key way and just go back slow.
We're tightened up. We're gonna have to do.
I'll creep it back.
Yeah.